Hey everyone, did you know that over 70% of 3D printer owners never attempt to build their own machine? Most people just buy pre-assembled units, but today I'm going to show you why assembling your own Prusa MK4S kit might be one of the most rewarding tech projects you'll ever take on. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've been using 3D printers for years now, and let me tell you, the Prusa MK4S kit is in a league of its own when it comes to DIY builds. This isn't your typical weekend project that ends up gathering dust in your closet. The MK4S is designed to actually work when you're done building it, which is more than I can say for some other kits I've tried. The frame assembly is straightforward enough that even someone with minimal mechanical experience can handle it, but it's still satisfyingly complex enough to feel like you've actually built something substantial. One thing that really stands out is how this printer handles speed. Most people assume faster printing means lower quality, but the MK4S uses something called input shaping to keep those prints clean even at high speeds. I've been able to print at 200 mm per second with layer lines that look like they came from a much slower machine. For anyone doing prototyping or small batch production, that kind of speed without sacrificing quality is a game changer. The automatic calibration system is another feature that saves you so much time. You don't have to manually level the bed or tweak the Z offset anymore. Just run the calibration routine and you're good to go. I've had prints stick perfectly from the first layer, which is honestly a relief after dealing with warped beds on other printers. And speaking of reliability, the MK4S uses a direct drive extruder with a filament sensor, so you can leave it running overnight without worrying about a print failing because the filament ran out. What really impresses me though is how future-proof this printer is. It's completely open source, which means you can upgrade virtually every component as new technology becomes available. The community around Prusa is massive too, so you'll find mods and improvements everywhere you look. I've already seen people add things like multi-material printing and even laser engraving modules. If you're the type who likes to tinker and improve your gear over time, this is the perfect platform. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a sample of Prusa filament. The instructions are clear and well organized, with QR codes linking to video tutorials for each step. I built mine over a weekend, and the whole process felt more like assembling high-end furniture than struggling with some cheap knockoff printer. The end result is a machine that looks and feels like a commercial-grade printer, not something you pieced together from questionable parts. Now, I won't lie to you, this isn't the cheapest 3D printer you can buy. The kit version is definitely an investment compared to some pre-built options. And while the assembly process is well documented, if you're not comfortable with tools or following detailed instructions, you might find it frustrating at times. Also, the build volume is decent but not enormous, so if you're planning to print large objects regularly, you might want to look at something with a bigger bed. But if you're looking for a printer that will grow with you, deliver consistent results, and give you the satisfaction of building something yourself, the Prusa MK4S kit is hard to beat. The print quality is exceptional right out of the box, and the ability to upgrade as new features become available means it'll stay relevant for years to come. If you're ready to take your 3D printing to the next level, check out the Prusa MK4S kit using the link below. It's a fantastic project that will reward you with both a great printer and the satisfaction of having built it yourself. Happy printing, everyone! For most buyers, the real question is not whether original Prusa MK4S KIT High-Speed DIY 3D printer, self-assembly FDM printer kit with input shaping, automatic calibration and open-source upgradable design sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like rewarding DIY build experience, assemble your own and high-speed FDM performance, delivers fast, precise printing would actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off.